So I just found a bunch of really good deals on Amazon. I forgot this was Prime Day, Prime Week. The first one is a Leatherman Charge, and this one I think is probably one of the best deals. For $111. You could perhaps buy this brand new and right away turn around and sell this on eBay, maybe. This is a fantastic deal. It will not be around forever. This is the last of the Leatherman Charges. The Leatherman Free P2, I was going to add this on the list and it's gone. It's out. It's sold out. So by the time you see this video, I hope the Leatherman Charge is still available for $111. Definitely grab that. Of course, the Leatherman Charge comes with all these outside tools. I think most of you know what the Leatherman Charge has, but there's a quick overview of the outside tools. Roller markings on the inside, scissors, screwdrivers on the other side, bit driver, the can opener, and the wire stripper. All right, we'll go ahead and put that away. Now, coming in at only $32, which is amazing to say $32 and Leatherman in the same sentence. A nice knife, everything is locking, the awl, Phillips screwdriver, this sort of a pry tool, package opener, scraper, all for $32 on the Leatherman T2. Pretty nice set if you want something very minimalist, more like a Victorinox pocket tool. $32 from Leatherman. Now, I did see that the Leatherman Wave is also marked down to around $103. I would definitely buy the Leatherman Charge for about, what is that, about $8 more. It's just going to be a lot better deal because you can buy the Leatherman Wave probably for years to come, but the Leatherman Charge is gone and will not be back most likely. Now, the next thing I saw on Amazon was this Workpro. These are the water pump pliers in the 4-inch frame for only $13. Now, this is sort of like the gold colored one. The ones on sale are silver. And I have also showed you some of the things that you can do with a little modding. You can add some tools onto these. This is the easiest thing to do. I just showed you how to do this in the latest membership video. I have 2 videos on how to do this on different tools. But yeah, I think these are outstanding value and a lot of people are really liking these. And for some people, they do work better than having a bulky multi-tool. Now, for $45, this would be a great combination where you could buy the silver Workpro 4-inch and then have the Leatherman T2 as your accessory. So I think that would be pretty fantastic. But yeah, there are a lot of good deals. Let's move on to the next one. Now, the next 2 are pretty much the same tool, but they go by a different name. You can either get the Byberry 19-in-1 or the Shell multi-tool. The one is $22. The Shell is marked down to $22. And the Byberry is $23. This includes the diamond file. I think the Byberry has the same one with the saw. When we open this up, now I have taken the double side bit out of here, but you've got the 1/4-inch bit driver, roller markings, pocket clip, nice pliers, wire or the crimpers there, the replaceable wire cutters, then the scissors on the inside, the large small screwdriver, can opener, wire stripper. A really nice set, pretty much a Leatherman Wave competitor right here, a copy clone for $22 and $23. I think this is a really good value, so make sure to check that out if you want to add one of these on the list. These are not the best Wave clones, but I think they're the best of the bargain Wave clones. So if you want something that is really good value and it's a little bit better made than some of the other ones, I think this is the way to go. That leads us to the next tool, the Felissa 16-in-1, which is marked down to $16. Now, I have to say, for one reason or the other, this looks like a great Leatherman Wave clone. It looks pretty much the same. It has the scissors on the inside. I don't even know if I can get mine out. These are, wow, these are really stuck. And that's what I find with these Felissa tools. This looks pretty much the same as the tool we just talked about with the scissors, these screwdrivers. They look pretty much exactly the same. Can opener, wire stripper, scissors, 1/4-inch bit driver, wire crimper, replaceable cutters, then serrated blade, the saw, knife, diamond file. The thing is that it seems like there's always something that crops up. And on this one, I'm almost tearing, I did tear my fingernail a little bit, just trying to open this tool. So it's extremely tough. It seems like there's always something where maybe something is misaligned, something's not quite right. So at $16, it is cheaper. You are saving that $8, but I still feel like the buy bearing or the shell is a better tool overall, even though this seems like a really good deal. Now this is the Wii tools, but there is a Felissa version of this also for $20. This includes the hammer end, the ferro rod whistle. You open it up, it's got the pliers with the replaceable wire cutters, the crimpers. On this side there is screwdrivers, wire stripper, can opener, all. Close this up, nice pocket clip, file, then the knife, scissors, saw. Yeah, it's got a pretty nice tool set, and for $20, I think that's pretty good. Probably one of the lowest prices you'll get for something that is geared toward more of a survival tool. Now this is my Leatherman bit drawer. I do have some actual Leatherman bits, but most of them are off-brand bits by Galvanex, Takoyu, and so forth. But Leatherman actually has their bit kit on sale for $19. I think that's a pretty good price. I would definitely pick it up. It says it's normally $40, marked down to almost half price from what I saw. So definitely check that out. So while some of these tools in the back sort of ping pong up and down in price, they may be $20, $25, $30, $26 through the year. Leatherman pretty much lately has been having outstanding deals on Prime Day, and this is pretty much when you want to get your bargain. Probably the rest of the year, or at least until there is another Prime Day or an Amazon special sale event. Leatherman usually doesn't put their tools this much on sale that often, so I would definitely pick one of these up. If you're interested, check these out, and there are links for all this stuff underneath the video under the More section, so make sure to check that out.